Hi kindergarten friends, today you are going to need something to write with and a scrap piece of paper. That means that it cannot be in your distance learning journal. It needs to be a loose paper. It does not need to be as big as mine, but I wanted to make sure that everyone could see. So before you start watching the video, please make sure you have something to write with and a piece of loose paper, okay? When you have those things, then you can start my video again. Okay, so today, kindergarten, we're gonna make our own number line. So how to do that is you want to first fold your paper. I call this style hot dog way because hot dogs are long, the bun. You're gonna fold your paper this way, okay? Then you're gonna open it. And then you're gonna fold it the opposite way. I call this the hamburger way, okay? Okay, so you should have a T in the center, okay? That T is going to be important. Where there is the T, or where all of the lines meet, I want you to write number 5. That's going to be the center of our number line, okay? So what I need to do is make sure that I can fit numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 before 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna make our number line from 1 to 10. If you think you're gonna have a hard time with that and you have a marker, you might wanna use a pencil just in case you need to erase, okay? So I'm gonna start number 1. I'm gonna try and give it around the same amount of space between each number. So 2, if it's not perfect, that's okay. 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I just have to get from 5 to 10. Okay, so after 5 is 6, 7, 8. And I didn't make the 8 the right way. I know I didn't form it correctly. It's just because I'm writing backwards. 9. The last number is 10. Okay, so we have our numbers from 1 to 10. I'm gonna use a cat to jump on my number line, but you can use anything. You can use a pebble, you can use a penny, you can use anything around the house, but you can just watch me and then practice this after on your own. So when you practice on your own, you're gonna need your dice too. Do you remember this dice? We gave it to you in the beginning of the year. It should have 2 zeros on it, 2 number 1s, and 2 number 2s, okay? So what I'm gonna do is practice jumping forward on the number line, okay? So I'm gonna start my cat off the number line. Oh, can I jump? Nope, landed on 0. Okay, if the cat jumped 1 time, what number would he land on? 1, okay? So I'm on number 1, try again. Now if the cat jumped 2 times, what number would he land on? 1, 2, landed on 3. I'm gonna try and see if I can land perfectly on 10. 0, can I jump any? Nope. 2. If the cat jumps 2 more times, what number will he land on? If you said 5, you're correct. 1, 2. 1 jump would give us to 6. Well, I can't jump if I land on 0, so I'm staying on 6. Okay. Number 2, if I jump 2 more times, what am I gonna land on? 8, right? I was here at 6. 1, 2 makes 8. So I want to roll. If I can roll a number 2, I will land on 10, okay? If I roll 1, I'm only gonna land on 9, so I'm hoping to get a number 2. Yes, I did. So cat made it to 10, right? Because I was on 8, but if I jumped 2 more times, it would be 1, 2. Let's try this game one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna put cat over here. Okay. Jumping 2 times. 1, 2. So landed on 2. And if I can only jump once, what number is cat gonna land on? 3. Okay. 2 more times, or 2 jumps that cat needs. What's 3 and 2 more? If he jumps 2 times, that would be 2 more than 3. If you said 5, you're correct, right? Started at 3, 1, 2. Okay. Oh, 1 jump, so to 6. What's 1 more jump, or what's 1 after 6? 7. Okay. Now I can do 2 jumps. So what's 2 jumps after 7? Is it 9? I think so. 1, 2. Okay, so if I land on 1, I will land perfectly on 10. But if I land on 2, I will go off my number line that I just made. Let's see what I get. Got lucky. I got a 1, so I'll jump 1 time, and I landed on 10 again. So what you wanted, I hope you created your number line from 1 to 10. So if you want to play this game on your own, make sure you get your dice after with the 0, 1, and 2 on it, and you can use anything to jump on the number line. So practice jumping on the number line forward, because the next time we do this game, I'm going to start cat on 10, and we're going to go backwards, okay? So for my next lesson, you're going to need the number line you made, so don't throw it away. I'll see you next time, kindergarten friends. Adios.